Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday the 30th of October. Now, our weather map for Wednesday shows a low pressure trough arcing across the continent from Western Australia through the north and down into Queensland as well. There's a lot of heat being dragged in around this trough through the northern and western parts of Australia in particular, but we're also seeing the trough generating some showers and storms, particularly through the north, but also including parts of Western Australia and Queensland for our Wednesday. In the southeast, it will be a more settled day ahead, but we are going to see the chance of some showers through Tasmania as another cold front approaches. Let's take a closer look at all of that now, state by state, starting with Queensland. We are in for a hot day across Queensland once again tomorrow, with severe heat waves continuing across parts of the Peninsula and Gulf Country districts. We're also seeing a few isolated showers and storms in these areas, but with generally low rainfall totals. There is also the chance of an afternoon shower or storm through the southeast of the state tomorrow. Rainfall totals should be fairly hit and miss at this stage, and we're not expecting them to become severe. For Brisbane, for Wednesday, we are looking at the chance of a shower or storm with a top of 27 degrees. For New South Wales, we're looking at morning fogs through the southeast and then a dry and mostly sunny day following. The exception will be the far northeast of the state, where we are going to see the chance of a shower or thunderstorm through the afternoon, but once again, not expected to become severe. For Sydney, we are looking at a mostly sunny day for our Wednesday with a top of 25 degrees, mild and sunny in Canberra with a top of 27. Down in Victoria, morning fogs in the south and then partly cloudy conditions south of the ranges with the slight chance of a shower about those exposed coastal areas. It'll be much drier and sunnier in the north, however, with plenty of light winds around. Melbourne is heading for a bit of a cloudy morning, but we should see that sun emerging through the afternoon with a top of 21 degrees. For Tasmania, we are looking at mild and mostly sunny conditions through the northeast, but cloudier through the west with showers throughout the day. Those cloudy and showery conditions will start to push into central and southern parts of the state later on, which means that for Hobart, we do have the chance of a shower in the later afternoon or evening tomorrow. Otherwise, we're looking at a partly cloudy day, top of 18 degrees there. South Australia can expect some morning fogs through the southeastern parts of the state, then a generally dry and sunny day following. We are going to see a little bit of high-level cloud pushing in from the west, with a very slight chance of a shower about the west coast, but it's really going to struggle to reach the ground, most of it evaporating before it hits the ground, with only a little bit expected for the rainfall gauges. For Adelaide, we are looking at a sunny day tomorrow with a top of 26 degrees. Over in Western Australia, this trough is starting to move eastwards. It is likely to generate areas of cloud and possible thunderstorms tomorrow, but we can't really see very much on this map because it's a map of rainfall. What that's telling us is that storms tomorrow are likely to be dry thunderstorms. So while they'll produce the cloud, possibly the lightning as well, they're not expected to bring too much rainfall with them. To the west of the trough, it'll be sunny, a little bit breezy at times, but certainly hot. Perth is heading for a top of 31 degrees with plenty of sunshine around tomorrow. Finally, across the north, we are going to see those hot conditions continuing across those northernmost parts of the country. Severe heat waves continue for parts of the Northern Territory, including the Top End and Tiwi Islands, but we're also seeing those heat wave conditions returning to parts of the Kimberley. Otherwise, showers and thunderstorms continue in those areas, much drier inland. For Darwin, we are looking at the chance of a shower or storm tomorrow with a top of 34 degrees. You can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM Weather app, or our social media. Have a good night, and we'll catch you tomorrow.